Editing your content seems like a daunting task. You have to either learn a brand new program or find some person to be able to do it for you because, let's be honest, you're just ready to stream for 8 hours a day and grow your brand on Twitch. And who cares about making content all over the place? That doesn't matter. You're going to grow anyway. You have to make content to be able to grow on Twitch because they're increasing and making new features. But the truth is, it's not built for discovery. And in today's video, we're talking about 6 completely different options that are free that you can use right now to be able to make short form content in some ways directly from Twitch, and then in some ways be really intuitive and do some crazy stuff with it. So let's talk about these 6 completely different ways. All the links of them will be down in the description. I'm not sponsored by any of these brands or anything, but if you do want to support me, check out any of my sponsors down in the description, or watch any of my other reviews and go pick up a product on my Amazon affiliate review because content creator need money when full time. Okay, let's get into it. The first one is actually on Twitch. We actually have featured clips and things that can go directly to TikTok from Twitch. And now I don't think you can do this on the actual Twitch app. You have to do it from the desktop version. So you do need to go and sign in and go under your content page and then clips right here. And you'll be able to see every clip you've had on your channel. You can also just go and create clips if you would like from any of your previous things, but get in the habit of being able to do it. You can enjoy this one.
Grab him and call him daddy.
Here we go.
I'm just going to grab him and call him daddy.
What do you mean by that?
I was playing Civ 6. It was a great time with my community manager. It was just this call me daddy thing. Anyway, once you're on the Twitch app, all you do is click this edit and share clip. Yeah, so I'll just mute the site to be able to do this. So what you do is you basically get this interface right here where you can actually do the Darkened Cyrus, and then you can actually, if you have gameplay, you can move this around and it automatically puts everything here. So if you've got something moving, any kind of a moving clip like that, you can do it. Or you can do it full, like in this case, this is probably what I would do. I would adjust this and just kind of make some trolley thing like this and just kind of make the clip like that. So, I mean, this is a really good way to do it. All I have to do is be able to click next. I can share it directly to YouTube Shorts, directly to TikTok, or I can download the clip and I can be able to do whatever I want. It's rendering really easy. As long as you link your stuff, like this one's linked to TikTok right here, I could literally do allow comments, allow do it, allow stitch. I'm literally going to click share to TikTok and it's going to be on my TikTok in just a moment. So yeah, TikTok at Darkened Cyrus. Go watch that and like it because it's hilarious. All right, so here's another clip. This one is specifically one that I'm actually playing the game, and it's a shooter. So what I'm going to do is adjust my webcam so that I'm up in the top right here. You can see right here, this is a sniping clip and it's Destiny 2 and it puts everything down here at the bottom. Really cool, really easy, nice clip. We can go ahead and hear what it sounds like.
Quick snipe, right? The moment I was leaving.
Blocker, and it was basically an ogre that was, before they introduced champions, it was basically the equivalent of like an unstoppable champion ogre.
That's nuts.
In Gambit.
Clip that.
So anyway, we'll just click next. We're gonna do the exact same thing. We're literally just gonna hit share on TikTok. Watch this. I just made 2 TikToks literally in the span of like 20 seconds. I drug some boxes and hit go. I didn't even adjust anything about that clip. I literally just hit share to TikTok, and you can do the same thing to YouTube Shorts. Always cool. Absolutely love it. Let's go on to the second one. So the second one is something you can do from your phone, and it's actually called Crossclip, and it's actually a Streamlabs product. If you have Streamlabs Prime, you can get this already with, I think it's called Ultra maybe. Anyway, you can get this without all the watermark stuff, but they have a mobile app, and you can actually copy the link of your YouTube clip, your Twitch clip, your Kick clip, and it actually will go ahead and convert it. So all you do is you drop the clip here. Let's go get this one that we got right here and just go back, and we'll see what it looks like. So what we're gonna do is grab this link, copy this link. We're gonna go over to cross clip, drop it here, and once this pops up, it's very similar to what we saw on the other one. It gives you a little camera box, it gives you this little piece in the middle, and then you get content sliders and stuff to be able to adjust. You can be able to do all of this, like input both. You can have output. This is what you kind of want it to look like. You have a whole bunch of settings you can do, blur background. You can remove the watermark if you pay for it, anything. This is really cool. And then once you hit compile, it'll give you a list to be able to go ahead and download. I have to sign in, but I'm not going to do that right now. But you'll be able to download it or upload it directly to TikTok, YouTube, anything, Kick, blah, blah, blah. Really cool. Let's move on. Oh, you can't upload things to Kick, but you can upload to TikTok to promote your Kick. Anyway, let's move on. Number 3 is a really weird one, and it's actually Canva. And a lot of you people have probably used this in like school projects or something, but Canva now allows you to do TikTok videos. So what you can do is once you're in Canva, this is a free account, you can actually go to the top and type in TikTok, if I can spell, I did right, TikTok video. And once you see that, it'll say TikTok video templates. You can choose things that they have pre-done by stories, which is basically a GIF, but you can click create blank and it gives you a video editor. You can drop in videos in here and then you can actually download the video directly. I'm not going to edit one here, but just know that I've had a lot of people use Canva in the past. It's not very intuitive and a lot of things are paywalled behind the stuff, but there is some free aspects. A lot of people still be able to use it and they do have a trial, so you can go try it out. Let's move on. Number 4. All right, number 4 I threw in the middle because this is the kind of the crazy one because people are like, I don't want to learn how to edit and do all this stuff on DaVinci Resolve. And I'm just telling you, okay, DaVinci Resolve is completely free. Look, this one's a free download now. They're never going to make you pay for it unless you want Resolve Studio. And the only reason you would want Resolve Studio is if you're editing 10-bit 422 images or doing really high refresh in like 8K and stuff. You don't really need it. But if you do 10-bit and you have a camera that supports it, you're going to want Studio. But they have a free one and it's great. And it allows you to edit and be able to do all the stuff you need to do. There are countless tutorials on how to be able to edit in DaVinci Resolve all over YouTube. I know that sounds stupid and I'm like, go look it up, go just Google and stuff. But the truth is, if you're watching this video, you're definitely looking on how to improve. You're going to find someone who's already made tutorials on it. I can make one if you want, but there's probably some that you can get right now. DaVinci Resolve 18 is fantastic, Mac and Windows, and they have a cloud share collaboration option. So if you do get an editor, it's a really cool feature. All right, number 5 on this list is those of you who have an iPhone or even have like a MacBook. The iMovie app that comes with your phone, I think it sometimes costs, no, it's completely free. The iMovie app, completely free to be able to edit everything, put things together. You probably already know this one, but they even have presets for you to be able to do vertical content. So you can just drop your video clips that you have. If it's a vlog, edit it, put it together, throw it up, and put it onto the platforms you want. This one's an option, but there's another option that's even more popular. The last and final option is number 6. This is CapCut. Most of you know this as an actual iPhone or an Android app, a phone app to be able to edit. And you've seen a whole bunch of use the CapCut template to do your fancy, whatever the case. But the truth is you can do a bunch of video editing inside CapCut to go ahead and put all of your clips up online. Or if you do have a computer or a Chromebook or whatever, you can edit in the cloud. So I can actually create a new video, drop in my clips. I can set it for 9:16, import through Google Drive or Dropbox any of my clips and do all of the editing in browser and then be able to export it and show what I want to. And when you actually put this out, you can put it into wherever you want. It's really cool that CapCut includes this online to be able to edit in the cloud, and then you can kind of go between devices. So CapCut is not just a phone app that we all know. They have a really cool web browser editor as well. If you got value from this video, make sure you smash it with a thumbs up and do all that YouTube stuff. Comment down below and tell me, what program do you use to edit? What have you used in the past? Are you a Filmora editor? Anyways, I'll try to reply to every single comment that happens down there and be able to just interact with you. Use this as a resource and a think tank for you to be able to help grow your Twitch channel using clips on platforms. 30 seconds. I now have 2 clips on my TikTok. Don't tell me it's not possible to be able to grow on short form content because it's too much work when I clicked like 3 or 4 buttons and now I have clips on TikTok. No excuses. Check out one of these 2 videos, especially this one. Oh my gosh, if you need to upgrade your audio, this video is going to show you some options that you just cannot miss. I'll see you over in those videos. Bye-bye.